Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this look for you. It wasn't actually supposed to come out like this, but when I did do it I realised I'm pretty sure I filmed this look for you before, so I just kind of changed it about a bit. But this is the look. Let me just zoom in. It's like kind of a rose gold. The colour's not coming out like it should, but I can show you the colour from the palette so you'll understand. I am using the 24 Karat Nudes by Maybelline, and the colour that I picked up was this colour here, and as you can see it's like a pinky kind of colour. I don't know if you can see that, like a pink, but it's just coming out as a gold for some reason. But anyway, that doesn't matter. So I'm just going to get straight into this look because I'm kind of running out of time because I need to go and cook for my sisters in a bit. So I'm just going to get started. I'm picking up, as always, my base shadow brush by Real Techniques. I'm going into my Tarte palette. This is the clay palette, face shaping one. You can also use this for eyeshadows. You can really use it for anything you want. But that's it. So the colour that I'm going to pick up is Stone. It actually looks like a colour from one of the Morphe palettes, but I just can't remember what colour it is. But first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take my blusher brush and remove all the excess powder. Because obviously I didn't want anything to crease or anything like that, because my lids, like, they crease pretty quick. So, because I think they're kind of droopy, but not really droopy. I think I have droopy eyelids, but I have a lot of eye space, guys. So, yeah. Without further ado, let's get started. Just spin screen motions for now. I'm trying to pick up less product as possible. And by the way, guys, my brushes actually are dirty, so I think that's why kind of like it's a bit harder to do this, but we'll just take a bit more. Then I'm going to pick up my, I need to find it first, brush. It was actually the, oh here it is, the Deluxe Crease Brush by Real Techniques, and I'm picking up the colour Ember, which is a kind of an orangey kind of colour, brick kind of colour, and just go over that and blend it together. The reason I'm just picking it up on this brush and blending it is because that colour is actually not necessary, but I just didn't want the look to be too kind of cold toned, if that makes sense. I always go like this and then kind of like circle motion, so just like that. And we're actually done with this palette. Yep. So now I'm going to go in with that pinky colour that I showed you. I'm just going to pick it up on my finger, and even though looking to the camera I do need a mirror, just put it on like that. And just like that. That's all I did. But I'm gonna pick up a bit of gold and see if I can. Yeah, I'm gonna do that to that lid. That's kind of better than what I usually have. And then next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up my Rimmel. Where's it gone? I have to have everything on standby because I'll just lose everything. Yeah, my Rimmel Scandalous Eyes Card Pencil, and I'm just going to cover it in now. I'm going to place it on this bit first. Just like that, and then just kind of create a ring. It doesn't look really neat, but that doesn't matter because it's all going to get smudged out. And then I'm going to pick up my, I think I smudged it with this one. Yeah, the brow highlighting brush, and I'm just going to go in and just really kind of blend that out a bit. Just like that. I'm going to go back in with a bit more eyeshadow, just a tiny bit of that same colour, and just kind of place it on top, because sometimes with that it kind of goes. Then I'm going to pick up the Rimmel Jungle Green 031 Soft Coral Eyeliner Pencil. And the mistake that I made on this eye is that I applied it after mascara, but it's actually better to apply it before mascara. I'm going to apply this in my waterline. And then also take some down below. And then I'm going to pick up my brush again, same one, the brow highlighting brush, but a different one obviously. Just blend it. I'm going to go in with a bit more by the way, guys, because I feel like it's not as dark as and intense as that one. Like that, and that's enough I think. The only reason this one looks darker is because I've got mascara on the lower lashes, but anyway. I'm just apply it a bit on the top, but not too much. Just like that. I think I'm going to take a bit more of that pencil and go over my. Yep, that's fine. So now I'm going back in with the QVS Natural Look lashes, and they look like, where they gone? Oh my god, they're open. Oh, they're over there. They look like this, and I'm going to pick up the glue that I got, which is disgusting right now. I need to throw this away because I have got a new one, but it's actually downstairs and I can't bother to go downstairs. But this one's just so horrible and sticky. I don't even know how it started getting sticky because I didn't leave the lid open, it was upside down, so just let that dry a bit because it's a lot easier to apply when the glue's a bit tacky. I've actually not tried the glue that comes with this, but I do need to give that a go. See how it is. I never used to like using the glues that come with the lashes, but I started to use the eyeliner ones, and to be honest with you, I really liked how they came out. I mean, how the glue was performing basically. If you guys watch me struggle with my lashes. So guys, this is the finished result. I'm sorry about that glue that is. Maybe I can go with some more eyeshadow. Whoops. Yeah, that's okay. So this is the end finished final result. Let me just take off that excess powder. One minute, guys. By the way, guys, I contoured my nose really wrong today and I don't like the looks. But this is the finished result. really hope you enjoyed this look. Please do subscribe to my channel. Yeah, please do leave your thoughts and opinions down below and I will get back to you. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Bye.